Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option more security and privacy. And here scroll down again until you'll find encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it. As you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.